Freelance transcribers? Are you looking for a way to stand out and offer more value to your clients? Imagine delivering not just accurate transcripts, but fully captioned videos ready for social media or professional use, all without expensive software. In this video, I'll show you how Canva's free captions feature can help you expand your services, attract more clients, and boost your income. So stick around. Let's talk about adding value to your services. Captions are a powerful way to elevate your offerings, making videos more accessible and engaging for clients. With Canva's new free captions feature, you can create professional branded captions for your clients' videos in just minutes. No fancy tools or extra subscriptions required. Start by logging into Canva. The best part? This feature is free. Even if you're using a free Canva account, you can generate captions quickly and professionally. Begin by creating a video or social media project. You can use any design format, but for this tutorial, I'm starting with a blank canvas. Upload your client's video and drag it into your project. Here's where Canva saves you time. On the left-hand toolbar, go to the Text tab and find the Dynamic Text section. Select Captions. Canva will ask you to choose your video file. Once you've selected it, click Generate Captions. Within seconds, Canva will transcribe the audio and create a caption track for your video. It's impressively accurate, but always double-check for any errors or misheard words. Attention to detail is what keeps your clients coming back.
I want to give a quick shout out to my friends at learntotranscribe.com. So I need to make some serious cash working from home, y'all.
Now it's time to polish the captions. Click on the text box to edit any inaccuracies. Canva makes it simple to type in corrections. Then customize the captions to align with your client's branding. You can adjust the font, style, size, and color. Add effects like shadows or backgrounds. Fine-tune the alignment and spacing. All edits will apply to the entire caption track, ensuring a consistent, professional look. Stand out by offering creative caption styles. Background styling. Add shadows or transparent boxes behind text for readability. Frames and borders. Use frames to position the video creatively, leaving space for captions below. Brand-specific formats. Match captions to the client's brand fonts, colors, and overall aesthetic. You can even integrate captions with additional elements, like logos, animations, or call-to-action prompts. Before delivering your project, make sure your captions are aligned with the video timing. Avoid trimming video clips after generating captions, as it can throw off the synchronization. If needed, you can regenerate captions, but you'll lose any previous formatting. While Canva's automatic timing is great, note that fine-grained control over individual caption timing isn't available yet. Still, the tool is perfect for creating clean, professional captions quickly. And there you have it. Canva's Captions feature is a simple, free way to add value to your freelance transcription services. By offering captions as part of your packages, you'll not only save your clients time, but also position yourself as a go-to professional for video accessibility and branding. If you're ready to wow your clients, give this feature a try. And don't forget to let me know in the comments how you plan to use Canva's Captions tool to grow your freelance business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.